All right, we're gonna break another box. Lorcana Rise of the Floodborn. We're gonna see what kind of value we can pull from this. And welcome to Lore Alley. Also, if you stay towards halfway towards the video, when we're around halfway done, I'll be giving the announcement of the giveaway on how to enter. So please stay till then. If not for the whole video, like and subscribe if you like this content. And let's go. All right, so since we're looking just for value, most of the values from the last 3 cards, so we're just going to be looking at the rare and higher. So we're just going to get the last 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, we have Grand Duke, Durham Flavorsham, and Felicia Cold Foil. All right. One, two, three. All right, we have a Shere Khan, rare. Nice legendary Sisu, Divine Water Dragon. Okay. So I'm happy to get any legendary. This is the first legendary, so 2 packs in. Okay, and next one is uncommon Donald Duck. And let's sleeve up the legendaries. All legendaries get sleeved up. Let's go to pack 3. One, two, 3. All right, Little John, Loyal Friend. Namari, super rare. And a rare Queen of Hearts, Cold Foil. Let's go to pack number 4. One, two, 3. Oops. All right, Merlin Rabbit. This is a good rare card to get. Pretty common staple, I believe, in Amethyst deck. Mulan, Reflecting, and a Rapunzel, Gift Artist. All right, pack number 5. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. All right, Dr. Facilier, Peter Pan's Shadow, rare, and a Minnie Mouse, Wide-Eyed Diver. All right, pack number 6. One, two, 3. All right, Falling Down the Rabbit Hole. Cinderella Stout Hearted. Okay, this is a good super rare to have. And Basil. All right, time to pack 7. One, two, 3. All right, Gaston, the Queen, Commanding Presence, super rare, and a common Unstuck. Right, pack number 8. So far, this box is looking kind of average. Hopefully, we'll pick up soon. All right, we have a weight set. A Cinderella Ballroom Sensation. Okay, this is a good rare to have, I believe. And a Queen of Hearts common Cold Foil. All right, let's go pack number 9. One, two, 3. All right, we have an Honest John. Nice, Beast Tragic Hero. This is a great legendary to pull. High value legendary. All right, let's go. All right. So after that is Araya. Okay, let's leave this big boy up. Okay. That was a nice legendary to pull. Right, Teeth and Ambitions, okay. The Huntsman rare, and Miasma super rare code foil. All right, let's go pack number 11, I believe. 1, 2, 3. All right, we have Christopher Robin, Adventurer. Raya, super rare, Leader Apart. And an Eli LaBeouf, Big Daddy, uncommon code foil. All right, let's go pack 12. We're almost halfway through. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. All right, Hercules, Divine Hero. Basil, super rare. And a Beast, common code foil. So since we're halfway through the video, I do want to talk about the giveaway that I will be doing this week. This video, all you have to do is comment down below, and on Friday, on Friday of the week of this video coming out, I will randomly pick a commenter, and I will be giving away a D100 Collector's Edition gift set. I'll ask the winner if they want me to open it live or they just want the box sent to them. All right, so we'll continue. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, Pete Bad Guy, Tiana, super rare, and a Sardine Can, code foil. And again, if you like this video, if you're enjoying the content, please like and subscribe. And again, leave a comment if you have anything to say about this, any improvements or anything else that needs to be said, please do. All right, we have a Merlin Shapeshifter rare, a Minnie Mouse rare, and a Grumpy code foil. I believe this is pack number 15. So we're a little bit behind on the legendary count, but the beast really made up for it. All right, we have Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, Maurice Workshop, and a Merlin Shapeshifter code foil. Pack number 16. All right, we have a Mrs. Judson, a Perplexing Signpost, and a Duke Weaselton. Pack number 17. One, two, three. All right, let's see. Queen of Hearts, a Mickey Mouse Friendly Face super rare, and the Queen super rare code foil. All right, let's go pack number 18. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm hoping we get at least a couple more legendaries to even out the count. Oh, and we got a legendary, Donald Duck. All right, and this is a super pack at the very least. Super pack being that since the first rare slot is a legendary, that means there's going to be at least another guaranteed legendary in here. And let's see who we get. Beast Relentless. Okay, so we have two beasts, two legendary beasts from this box. Beast Tragic Hero and Beast Relentless. Okay, and let's see what the third card is. It's an uncommon lunch. All right, let's leave these two up. So we're up to 4 legendaries now. All right, so last 6 pack, we'll take them all out. So we have the Queen, Uriah, and 2 Beast. So let's see, we'll start with the Queen first. 1, 2, 3. Pack Tactics, Gruesome and Grim, and Flynn Rider common code foil. Right, next one up. We can get another legendary at least. Let's see. Alright, Flynn Rider again, but this time a rare Pinocchio, and a Merlin Squirrel code foil. Alright, let's go. One, two, three. Let's see. Strength of Raging Fire. Okay, this is a good rare card. Snow White legendary. Alright, so this is our 5th legendary. Nice. And the last one's a common Happy code foil. Alright, so we'll sleeve her up. Okay, 3 packs left. And again, if you like this video, please leave a like. Please press the like button, leave a comment, subscribe. Really help this channel. So we'll go with the Queen again. One, two, three. Okay, Lumiere, rare. Grand Hobby, super rare. And Hercules, common. Hero in Training, code foil. Alright, we'll leave Beast for last. Alright, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we have a Cobra, Bubbles, rare. Arthur, super rare. And a Cinderella, Knight in Training. Alright, last pack. Will we have last pack magic? We'll see. And again, for the giveaway, please look out for the next. Please comment on this video, and you will have a chance at the giveaway for a D100 Collector's Edition gift set. Alright, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Ratigan rare. Kronk rare, okay, and the last card is a rare Christopher Robin. Alright. And let's not forget, I'm still looking for the discard card. So I'm going to be checking our common and uncommon pile just to see if we get lucky or not. Nope, not from this pile. Look at our second pile. A lot of cards. Okay. Let's see. Alright, well, it looks like we didn't get any luck today. Alright, thank you for watching the Lore Alley channel, and see you next time.